Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the Learning Curve. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is 5. Let's use 5 in a sentence. He took 5 steps. Our next word is 7. Let's use 7 in a sentence. There are 7 dogs. Our next word is 8. Let's use 8 in a sentence. I have 8 hot dogs. Our next word is your. Let's use your in a sentence. Use your words. Our next word is because. Let's use because in a sentence. Wear a jacket because it's cold. Our next word is out. Let's use out in a sentence. Take out the trash. Our next word is from. Let's use from in a sentence. She ran from here to there. Our next word is who. Let's use who in a sentence. Who wants a cookie? Our next word is her. Let's use her in a sentence. Her hair is pretty. Our last word is then. Let's use then in a sentence. Then he ran with his brother. All right, my little kitties, let's review all of the words that we have learned so far. 5, 7, 8, your, because, out, from, who, her, then. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people the words that we have learned today.